Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. Okay, so are you all ready for today's session? Yes. So today we are going to learn how to add and subtract. Okay, so addition and subtraction. So how to add and subtract the lengths, weights, capacities. Okay. So to add or subtract these lengths, weights, these capacities, it's just like normal addition and subtraction. Okay. But the only thing is you have to separate the units. Okay. The only main thing is you have to separate the units. Okay. So to add or subtract length, weight or capacity, write the units given and below them their values. Okay, first you have to write the units like centimeter, millimeter. Okay, and you have to write below their values. Okay, then add or subtract as you do. So as you do for any other number. Okay, so it's just like normal addition and subtraction. Okay, the only thing is you have to write the units and you have to write their values below the units. Okay, you have to separate the units like centimeters and meters. Okay, so shall we do some problems? Yes, first length. Okay, first let's add lengths. Okay, so exercise 9.2, first question, we add the lengths. Add the lengths. So we are going to add the lengths given. Okay, so first one, 4 meter 20 centimeter. That is the first length. Okay, and the second length is 12 meter 6 centimeter. Okay, and the third length is 18 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to add these three lengths. Okay, so for that what we have to do first? So we have to write the units. Okay, so here in this problem only two units are there, right? One is meter and another one is centimeter. Okay, so write meter and centimeter. Okay, and then below that you have to write their values one by one. Okay, and then you have to add just like normal addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's see the solution. So first you have to write like that, meter, centimeter. Okay, so in the first problem they have given 4 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, so you have to write 4 below this meter and 20 below this the unit centimeter. Okay, and the second length is 12 meter 6 centimeter, right? 12 meter 6 centimeter. So you have to write this 12 below this meter and you have to write this 6 below this centimeter. 6 can be written as 0.6, right? Okay, the third length is 18 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, 18 meter. So you have to write this 18 below this below the unit meter and you have to write this 50 below the unit centimeter. Okay, now you can just add these lengths. Okay, so 0 plus 6 plus 0 which is equal to 6. So how we will add from the right hand side, right, from the ones place. So similarly here also we have to start adding from right hand side. Okay, so 0 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. And next one is 2 plus 0 plus 5. Right? 2 plus 0 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So they have written 7 here. Okay, and next here meter. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 14 is a 2-digit number. So what we have done, what we have to do? So we have to write this 4 in the answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. Right? And now we have to add this 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So the answer is 34 meter and 76 centimeter. Okay. So the answer is 34 meter 76 centimeter. Okay. It's just like a normal addition only. Okay. The only thing is you have to separate the units. Okay. So we will see one more problem. Okay. B, 12 kilometer 375 meter and 15 kilometer 260 meter. So we are going to add these two lengths. Okay. So what are the units they have given here in this problem? So kilometer, meter. In this length also kilometer, meter. Okay. So first you have to write the units. Okay. Kilometer separately and meter separately. Okay. And then you have to write below that their values. Okay. So first one is 12 kilometer. So you have to write below this kilometer 12. Okay. And 375 meter. So you have to write this 375 below this meter. Okay. So what is the second length? 15 kilometer. So you have to write this 15 below the unit kilometer. Okay. And 260 meter. So you have to write this 260 below this meter. Okay. Now we are going to add these two lengths. Okay, we are going to add these two lengths. So starting from the right hand side. So from the ones place. Okay. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay. And 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So you have to write this 3 in this answer. And we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay. And now add 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So 635 meter. Okay. Now add these two numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 27 kilometer and 635 meter. Okay. What is the answer? 27 kilometer and 635 meter. Have you all understood, children? Yes. It is very easy. It's just like normal addition. Okay. The only thing is you have to separate the units. Okay. So we will do one more problem in length. Okay. C, 22 centimeter 6 millimeter and the second length is 18 centimeter 4 millimeter and the third length is 6 centimeter 2 millimeter. So we are going to add these three lengths. Okay. 3 lengths. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we are going to add these 3 lengths. Okay. So first thing what we have to do? We have to write the units separately. Okay. We have to write the units separately. So what are the units they have given in this problem? Centimeter and millimeter. Right? Centimeter and millimeter they have given. Here also centimeter, millimeter. And here also centimeter, millimeter. So 2 units they have given. So first you have to write centimeter and millimeter separately. Okay, and then you have to write their values one by one. Okay, so first length is 22 centimeter. So first you have to write centimeter, millimeter. Okay, and then you have to write their values one by one. Okay, first one is 22 centimeter. So below centimeter you have to write 22. And 6 millimeter. So below millimeter you have to write 6. And in the second length 18 centimeter. So you have to write this 18 below centimeter. Okay, and 4 millimeter. So you have to write this 4 below this millimeter. Okay, and the last one is 6 centimeter. So you have to write 6 below this centimeter. Okay, 2 millimeter. Okay, so now we are going to add these three lengths. Okay, so starting from right hand side. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. So we have to write this 2 in this answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and now add 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 8 is 11 and 11 plus 6 is 17. So again 17 is a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? We have to write this 7 in this answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. So 4. So the answer is 47 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Okay, answer is 47 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Okay, am I clear, children? Yes? Okay, now we will see how to add the weights. Okay, similarly, just we have added the lengths, right? So, just like that, we are going to add the weights. Only thing is the units are different, right? In lengths, the units will be kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, right? So, if we are going to add weights, then the units will be kilogram, gram, milligram, right? So, similarly, we are going to add the weights. Okay, add the weights. First weight is 4 gram 60 milligram. And second weight is 19 gram 175 milligram. And third weight is 42 gram and 625 milligram. So first what we have to do? We have to write the units separately. Okay. So what are what are the units they have given in this problem? Gram, milligram. Here also gram, milligram. And the third weight also gram and milligram. So only 2 units they have given. So we have to separate these 2 units. So gram, milligram. Okay. And we have to write their values below the units. Okay. So first weight is 4 gram. So you have to write this 4 below this gram. So 4 gram 60 milligram. So 60 below milligram. Okay. So this second weight is 19 gram. So you have to write this 19 below this gram. 19. Okay. And 175 milligram. Write 175. So you should not write. So here 60 milligram is there. And next one is 175 milligram. Right. So you should not write 175. This is wrong. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, 175 because this 1 is in hundreds place. Okay, not in tens place. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, you should not write like this. Okay, it is wrong. Okay, children. And the third weight is 42 gram. So write 42 here and 625 milligram. So 625 milligram. Now we are going to add these three weights. Okay. So similarly from the right hand side. Okay. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. So you have to write the 0 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and now add 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So 16 is also a 2-digit number. So write the 6 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and add now 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, now coming to this gram, add 4 plus 9 is 13 and 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 is a 2-digit number. So you have to write this 5 in the answer. Okay, 5 in the answer and you have to carry over 1 to the next place. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so the answer is 65 gram and 860 milligram. This is the answer. Okay, what is the answer? 65 gram and 860 milligram. Okay, so we will do one more problem. Okay, so second one is 29 kilogram. First weight is 29 kilogram and second weight is 31 kilogram and 950 gram and the third weight is 825 gram. Okay, so what are the units they have given in this problem? Kilogram and here kilogram and gram. So 2 units they have given in this problem, right? What are they? Kilogram and gram, right? So first you have to write the units. Kilogram, gram. So you should not write gram, kilogram. Okay, it is wrong. So first you have to write the bigger unit. Okay, and then smaller unit. Okay, you should not write gram, kilogram. Okay, this is wrong. You should not write like this. Okay, so kilogram, gram. So for what is the first weight? 29 kilogram. So you have to write this 29 below this kilogram. And there is no grams. So you have to write 0. Okay. And the second weight is 31 kilogram and 950 gram. So you have to write this 31 below this kilogram and you have to write this 950 gram below this gram. Okay, and the third weight is 825 gram. So there is no kilogram. So we have to write 0, 0 in the kilogram. So it is very easy to add. Okay, so write 825 below this gram. Okay, so now we shall add. So starting from right hand side. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, and the next one is 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. The next one is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17 is a 2-digit number. So you have to write the 7 in the answer and you have to carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay. So now we shall add. So 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is also a 2-digit number. So write 1 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay. Now add 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. So the answer is 61 kilogram and 775 gram. Okay. What is the answer? 61 kilogram and 775 gram. Is it clear? So we will do one more problem. Okay. See. The first weight is 64 kilogram and 172 gram. Second weight is 8 kilogram and 400 gram. Third weight is 15 kilogram and 215 gram. So they have given 2 units, right? One is kilogram and second one is gram. So write kilogram and gram separately. Okay, kilogram and gram separately. Okay, and write their values below these units. Okay, so first one 64 kilogram. So write 64 below this kilogram unit. Okay, and 172 gram. So write 172 below this gram. Okay, the second weight is 8 kilogram. So write 8 below this kilogram and 400 gram. So write 400 below this gram. Okay, third one is 15 kilogram. So write 15 below kilogram and 215 gram. So write 215 below this gram. Okay, so now we are going to add these 3 weights. So starting from right hand side. Okay, so 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, and 7 plus 0 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so now here 4 plus 8 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 is a 2-digit number. So write 7 in the answer and carry over 1 to the next place. Okay. So 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. So the answer is 87 kilogram and 787 gram. Okay. Answer is 87 kilogram and 787 gram. Okay. And you should be clear, children. You have to write 8 here. It is in ones place. Okay. So 60 kilogram. The next one is 8 kilogram. So you should not write 8 here. So this is wrong. Okay. So you have to write 8 here in the ones place. Okay. So here it is in the ones place. Okay. You should be very careful. Okay, children. So you can practice the remaining problems given in your textbook on your own. Okay, children. So just make a try. Okay, it's just like a normal addition. Okay, the only thing is you have to separate the units. Okay, and it's going to be just normal addition only. Okay, so practice all the problems given in your textbook. Okay, children. So study well. Thank you.